Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a pretty mind-bending idea about reality itself, one that suggests our collective future is, well, incredibly bright. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's just pause on that for a second. This isn't some distant, abstract cosmic story. The source material is saying that the most fundamental something in the entire universe is the very awareness that's processing these words right now. Yup, you. This whole mystery, it turns out, is about you. I mean, really think about it. You could doubt pretty much everything else, right? Maybe this is all a simulation. Maybe your memories were just implanted 5 minutes ago. The whole world could just be an elaborate dream. But what's the one thing that's totally 100% unshakable? Well, that one thing, that unbreakable certainty, is this. The simple fact that you are having an experience. Right here, right now. Think about it. Every thought, every feeling, every doubt, it's all happening inside of consciousness. You can't step outside of it to prove it exists, because the very act of trying is just more consciousness happening. It is the absolute ground floor of reality. It's the only thing we actually know for sure. Everything else is just an interpretation. Okay, so if consciousness is so fundamental, so incredibly obvious, why is it considered science's big, hard problem? Well, maybe, just maybe, it's because we've been searching in all the wrong places. You know the standard story we're all told. Your brain, this lump of matter, somehow magically creates your awareness. Brain activity lights up, and poof, you feel happy. But here's the catch. Just because two things happen together doesn't mean one causes the other. Correlation isn't causation. It's like saying a rooster's crow causes the sun to rise. They happen at the same time for sure, but one isn't making the other happen. And this old story leaves us with some seriously massive holes. Like the hard problem. Why does it feel like anything at all? Why isn't it all just dark, unfeeling data processing? And the combination problem. How do you get a single, unified you from billions of separate, non-conscious brain cells? It makes no sense. And then there's the big one from quantum physics, the measurement problem, where just by looking at something, an observer literally changes what happens. These aren't just little glitches, they're huge signs that the whole story might be wrong. So, what's the alternative? Well, get ready for what our source calls the Great Flip. What if we've had the whole thing completely upside down this entire time? This question right here, this is the entire game. What if the fundamental reality isn't matter, that somehow, against all odds, creates consciousness? But what if it's the other way around? The old idea is matter creates consciousness. The flip is that consciousness creates matter. And this changes everything. Instead of a dead, random universe that accidentally stumbled upon life, you get a universe that is fundamentally aware. The physical world isn't the producer of your experience, it's a product of experience, an appearance within consciousness itself. So in this model, what even is matter? Well, think of it like this. Matter is what consciousness looks like when it slows its vibration way, way down. It's like water turning into ice. It's still the same stuff, just in a denser, more solid-seeming form. Matter isn't the container of awareness. It's a temporary shape that awareness takes on. Okay, so if the whole universe is consciousness, what's it doing? Is it just sitting there? Nope. According to our source, it's on an incredible journey of waking up to itself. And this is where that bright future thing really starts to click into place. This journey happens in stages, or what the source calls densities of experience. Kind of like levels in a video game. You start at level 1, simple being. Think rocks, just pure existence. Then you level up to growing, plants and animals, aware of themselves versus their environment. And that brings us to where we are now, level 3, the density of choosing. This is huge. It's where we become truly self-aware and learn about choice, duality, separation, all that messy, important stuff. But as you can see, it doesn't stop here. The path keeps going up. And this right here, this is the core of the optimism. Humanity is at a graduation point. We are collectively finishing up our lessons in the third density of choice and division, and we're starting the transition into the fourth density, the density of love and understanding. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's presented as the next natural step in our collective evolution. The future is bright because it's literally built on unity and compassion. Now, it's easy to hear all this and think it's just some grand cosmic story that has nothing to do with little old you. But that's where you'd be wrong, because the entire point of this journey is you. You see, you're not a person in the universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself as a person. You are a localized perspective of that one universal consciousness. Every single thing you experience, the joy, the heartbreak, all of it, that's the universe getting to know itself through your unique eyes. You're not insignificant. You are absolutely essential. I love this analogy. Think of your individual self as a wave in the ocean. It has a unique shape, a location, a temporary form. But what is that wave actually made of? The entire ocean. Your substance, what you fundamentally are, is the whole thing. You aren't just a drop in the ocean, you're the entire ocean in a drop. And you know what? This isn't some new idea. This is ancient wisdom. There's a Sanskrit phrase, tat twam asi, which literally means you are that. That ultimate reality, that universal consciousness you've been looking for, that's you. It's always been you. So we end with this question. Because remembering who you are isn't just a cool philosophical idea. It's an invitation, a call to action. If you really are the creative force of the universe looking out through your own eyes, and our whole world is on the cusp of a collective leap into unity, well, that puts the power right back in your hands. Now that you remember who you are, what will you choose to create?